Alright, forex traders, let's dive into an essential tool you need to sharpen your trading game, trading journals. Keeping a trading journal helps you track your progress, refine your strategy, and ultimately boost your profitability. So today, I'm breaking down the top forex trading journals you need to know about. First up, we have Edgewonk. This journal is a powerhouse for serious traders. It's fully customizable, allowing you to tailor your entries to your trading style. Plus, its analytics are top-notch, offering deep insights into your performance. With features like emotional analytics and trade simulators, Edgewonk helps you understand not just your trades, but also your trading psychology. Next on the list is Trading Diary Pro. If you're looking for a journal that's user-friendly yet packed with features, this one's for you. It offers a clean interface, robust reporting tools, and even supports multiple asset classes. What sets Trading Diary Pro apart is its flexibility in importing data from various trading platforms, making it a breeze to keep all your trades in one place. Our third pick is TraderSync. TraderSync excels in visually appealing and intuitive design. With features like trade tagging, charting, and detailed performance reports, it's a favorite among many traders. One standout feature is its AI-driven trade feedback, which helps you identify patterns and mistakes in your trading. This journal is perfect if you want a smart, tech-savvy approach to logging your trades. Another noteworthy mention is MyFXBook. It's a comprehensive tool that not only serves as a journal but also connects you to a community of traders. MyFXBook offers detailed analytics, social trading features, and automated trade publishing. Its strength lies in its ability to provide real-time data and a plethora of metrics to help you refine your strategy. Last but not least, we have Excel or Google Sheets. If you prefer a hands-on, customizable approach, creating your own trading journal in Excel or Google Sheets is a solid option. You can design it exactly how you want, track the metrics that matter most to you, and continually tweak it as your trading evolves. The downside is that it requires more manual input, but for some, the flexibility is worth it. So there you have it, 5 top-notch trading journals to elevate your forex trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, choosing the right journal can make a significant difference in your trading success. Remember, the goal is to learn from your trades and continuously improve. So pick a journal that fits your style and start logging those trades. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more forex trading tips and insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading.